Hello guys, welcome back to Dear Dev. I said we were going into HTML and we are starting now, so let's dive in. In your browser, you have many ways to display characters. So you have your heading tags, you have your paragraph tags. Your heading tags are H1 to H6. So let's fill them up. I have H1 to H6 to show my Dear Dev and see what it looks like. Do you see anything happening? The size of the text changes as the number increases. So H1 is the largest while H6 is the smallest. Another thing to notice is that the texts are boldened. They are headings. So they are supposed to be conspicuous. So you use different sizes based on the structure of your web page. Normally, the first size you use is H1. It shows the introduction, the main title of that page. That's H1. Then when you now have a subtitle, you use H2. Inside your subtitle, if you want to discuss something else in it, then you use H3. If you have to do another subtitle, then you use H4, and you go like that, so that it gives an appealing look to the way you convey information on your web page. So the H tags are headings. Don't confuse the headings with the head. The head tags store information that guides the browser on how to display the contents of the web page, while the body actually displays the web page to the users. Apart from headings, we also display characters using paragraphs. Let me give you a paragraph. I have two paragraphs here. Please forgive my Latin. Let's see what it looks like on the browser. I can't see the line, the spacing. I specifically gave it space to separate the text. No, it's not going to separate the text. It's just going to display it the way it is. So for us to let the browser know that one set of text or characters are to be separated from the next set of characters, we need to use our P tags. That's paragraphs. P tags, those are the tags that hold the text inside it. Look at what we have. It's separated, one paragraph up and the next paragraph down. As I have told you, our elements are tags wrapped around data. So our HTML element has head and body inside it. Our head has meta and title inside it. We'll be adding more things later. Our body has 6 headings and 2 paragraphs inside it. As I told you, our HTML is following a tree structure, a family structure. So the grandparent is the HTML. The HTML has 2 children, which is the head and the body. The head has its own children, which are title and meta. The body has 8 children. The headings 1 to 6 and 2 paragraphs. As I said, they are family. So it means that the paragraphs and the headings are siblings. We need to understand this relationship because our understanding them helps us in using JavaScript to manipulate them. Don't forget that our destination is JavaScript, but we are getting there. So go on ahead, build your websites. Maybe let's say you are working on a restaurant page or you want to build your e-commerce page. Build the skeleton of your website and let us beef it up as we go. And if you don't mind, drop what you have built so far in the comment section. Let's look at it so that we know that we are coming along. And then we can beef it up also and figure it out along the way. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to share so that we can carry other people that are trying to learn JavaScript along. And please subscribe so that when I drop the other series, you are alerted, you don't lose track of what we are working on till we get to the end. See you some other time. Bye-bye.